This video highlights which AutoCAD icons will be relevant for the instructional content of this course. When you have installed AutoCAD for the PC, you will notice that there are at least 2, maybe more, icons on your desktop after the installation has been completed. Locate the AutoCAD English version. At the time this video was recorded, AutoCAD 2025 was the most current version of AutoCAD available for the student yearly subscription. The date of the release is not important, since very soon AutoCAD will release 2026. The important thing to know is that you'll be working on the AutoCAD English version, which includes the imperial unit of measurement and relates to the architectural industry in the United States. The other icons that were produced from the AutoCAD installation can be eliminated or deleted from your desktop to avoid confusion.